Hi, I'm glad to see you here. In today's video, you'll have to press a button. Yes, no, maybe or never. Let's go! Would you play pranks with this person? Playing pranks with him must be intimidating, but also very fun. Would you eat this? If you said yes, congratulations! Nothing like a good hot dog. Do you think this is fun? Ouch! If you said yes, you are definitely braver than me. Would you delete this app from your phone forever for $10? For just $10, would you delete it? I hope you thought your answer through. Would you stop using this forever for $100,000? Would you give up watching TV forever for $100,000? That's a tough decision. Would you accept this gift? If you accepted, well done! It's a classic! Would you like to swim here? Swimming there would be a dream. Tell me you said yes. Would you play this game with your friends? I hope you were cautious with your answer. That's not just any game. Would you cut your hair like this? What a brave haircut! Would you really do it? Would you like Messi to give you this? That would be a treasure for any fan. Did you say yes? Would you fight against this? Fight against one? I hope you're joking. Would you go to watch a match of this sport? Going to see a game sounds like a great plan. Shall we go together? Do you think this is pretty? Who could say no to that? It must be the most adorable puppy. Would you like to live inside this movie? Would you survive a zombie apocalypse? I hope you said yes. Would you swap your phone for this? That's a bold change. Are you sure about your choice? Would you swap all your things for this? Changing all your stuff for a clip? I hope it's a magic clip. Would you like to have this car? A toy car. I hope you have a good plan for it. Could you go 10 days without this? "10 days without water, that would be a real challenge. Would you participate in this movie for $15,000? Participate for $15,000. I hope we see you on screen. Would you swap your shoes for these? Changing Watching your shoes, those must be really impressive. Would you play this at 3:33 in the morning? That's dedication to sports. Did you say yes? Would you live the rest of your life in this season? Living in winter forever, you must really love the snow. Would you do this completely free? Doing that for free shows your incredible commitment to the planet. Would you spend a night in this place? A night there sounds like a dream. Who would say no? Would you have this pet? It's a unique pet. Are you ready for that commitment? Would you like to be gifted this? A perfect gift for a book lover. I hope you said yes. Would you be afraid if this animal chased you? Afraid of a chicken? They are more friendly than you think. Would you be able to read this? That would be impressive. Do you have the skills to do it? Would you be able to sit in this place? Sitting there would be a feat, and quite cold. Would you like to go to this place? Going to Disneyland? It must be a huge yes. Do you think this is fun? I hope you find that as fun as I do. Would you get this tattoo? It is a minimalist tattoo. Would you hug this person? Who wouldn't want a hug from her? Tell me you said yes. Would you eat a piece of this burger? Eating that would be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Would you dare? Would you work at this? That's a high job. Would you consider it for a day? Keep enjoying Brain Quiz content with the videos you have on screen. Until next time!